How to add and create new page to your website on WordPress. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Just go to WordPress dashboard, as you can see right here. Now go to the pages here and click all pages. Now go here and click on add new page and choose here. It will take you to this page. Just wait a few seconds. And now, as you can see, you will be able to choose the page that you want from here easily. It's so easy, and yeah, after you choose the page that you want, click on it and it will take you to this page. Now you can edit the title and gallery of how to media, for example, and you can change the name Jacob and change the pictures easily from here. Click replace. After you finish, click publish here in the top corner. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.